Welcome to part 4. Now let's finish up with our model. Remember to like, subscribe, and I have a Patreon account. I appreciate any help that will come through. Otherwise, let's jump right in. What I'll do is I will turn off this so that my camera can't see it anymore. And what I want to do is create a low poly tree. We'll start with a cylinder. And what I want to do with this cylinder is push 1 on the keyboard. And I'll go X-ray, edit mode, select this, and let me go back to layout, push 1, just zoom out and drag this all the way up, something like this. Let me drag these ones at the bottom. I think I did not activate my X-ray mode. Okay, so I'll just move these up and I also pick these ones up like this. Let's see what we're doing. Okay, and while I'm selecting those, I'll push S on the keyboard, just make this bigger. I'll select the ones on top, push S, and just push 0 on the keyboard. That's a shortcut, so all the points will come together. So we have this. Now what I want to do is Control R, cut. I want to make a cut here. I want to make something like, I don't know, 5 cuts. Yeah, that's okay. I'll push that there. So here what we're going to be doing now is I'll be selecting, so I'll create a cut right here next to this cut. Let me zoom in, and S, then just drag it in like that. Then I'll push it way up in there like that. Okay, and I'll cut here again, push S, drag it in, oops, and just move it all the way up. Okay, I'll move out of edit mode. So we have this, we are on the right track. I'll push A again on the keyboard, go into edit mode, select a point, skip 1, select the next one. Okay, so once you're done with this, just drag them up and I'll just stretch them going in. Alright, so let's see what we are dealing here with. Okay, so we'll do this for the whole tree. Alright, so once we are done, I'll just move this up and let me create one more thing. Let's create a new cylinder. I'll just reduce this to something like 12. Yeah, that's okay. And I'll stretch it like that. I'll just move it up go in edit mode, select these points and just drag them up. And what I want to do is select this tree, just bring it down. So we have a stem down there. And I'll add a new material to this, new, and I'll go in edit mode, select a face, push A to select all of them. I'll say new face, then say assign, and choose green. We choose a green. I'll select a new material again here, say new, and I'll go in edit mode. For this one, select all the faces and say assign. Then I'll choose a brown of some sort. Okay, so this is what I want. So now I'll turn on my, ooh, that is a huge tree. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll say new and make a new collection. Then I'll put these in my new collection. So I want to parent, so this one is the stem and this one is the tree. So I want to parent the tree to the stem. So I'll select the tree first, then select the stem, push Ctrl P on the keyboard. Oops. Okay, push Ctrl P on the keyboard, then say keep transform. So it's parented now. So let me just stretch this. This is way too big. Okay, let me just bring it down, put it right here. Okay. So we even have a tree there. We can put some even at the back. So I can just duplicate this and bring one even here. I can bring a small one somewhere, maybe here. Stretch. Oops. Hey. Let me zoom in. Let me get closer. And let me stretch this. Yeah, more like that. Let's bring it down. Yeah, this one also needs a bit of some stretching because they can't be the same size. Yeah, like that. So we have this. Let's center this. Let me see what is going on here. So for those who want to go a mile further with this, you can actually just add in some more stuff, like you can add in rocks, you can add in a road, you can add in whatever you want, just so that it's a bit different from this one. So, but for now, I think I like what I'm seeing here. Let me make a final render and I shall show you. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.